tall?
I'm tall. What are you?
You tall, Mom?
Yeah, I'm pretty
It's
tall.
for real.
What's Addie?
I'm little.
You two are little and I'm tall. What's Daddy?
Daddy tall.
Tall. Daddy's tall. I'm tall. And you're little and Addie's tiny. Addie's tiny. What do you think about Addie? You like sharing with your baby sister?
Tall.
Oh, Alex is tall too. Who else is tall?
Daddy Albert.
Is there anybody else who's tall? What's Lily?
Baby tall.
Lily's tall. What about Eva?
I'm a little.
Oh, okay, yeah. What about cousin Peyton?
Prison little.
Oh, what about Papa
Papa tall.
and Nana?
Nana tall.
So yeah. Tall, I guess, almost means adult to you. Is there anybody else you can think of who's little?